Namaste everybody. My name is Vinay. I am a sadhaka at the Yoga Institute. It's an honor and a privilege to come back here and talk to you about yet another discussion, a very important conversation actually, about the difference between yoga asanas and postures. Now, they seem to be just the same, to a layman they are the same. But there is a big difference, significant difference between yoga asanas and postures. All yoga asanas can be termed as posture, but not all postures can be yoga asanas. The term yoga asana by itself leads to say that it's a yoga practice, and yoga is a holistic path of spiritual path, right? It's holistic. Asanas or postures is a small yet significant part of it. Postures, on the other hand, can be done and practiced as not even a spiritual practice. So, yoga asanas, as we all know, people who do asanas alone, pranayamas and meditation believe they're doing yoga. No. Yoga is a holistic science of well-being. It's a spiritual endeavor, actually, where the postures and asanas play a very important role. Postures are done outside out, asana goes inward. It's a deliberate posture where you imbibe the essence of what you are doing. Our Rishi Munis and the sages, they invented asanas so that you can make your body supple, steady and still. In the Hatha Yoga text, you will see the purpose of asanas is threefold. It is thairyam, which is steadiness, arogyam, which is health, and angame lagvam, which is lightness of the body. Asanas are divided into two categories: meditative asanas and cultural asanas. Meditative asanas, the one you meditate in; cultural asanas, which culture your body so that you can sit in meditation and deep dive into your spiritual journey. People do asanas today for their physical endurance, for their back, for their knees, for any particular therapy. That particular thing is just an outcome of doing the asanas. That is not the objective. The objective of doing asanas is to make the body absolutely steady and still. For a prolonged period of time, our founder used to say, the consciousness of its very presence should be forgotten. That is the practice of asana. Otherwise, of course, we can move our body, bend forward, twist something, lose weight, become flexible. That is an outcome. But people stop there. When you speak yoga asanas, the thing is very clear that I am doing this towards my spiritual journey. Using the body, they say the purpose of asana is not to master the posture, but to use the posture to master yourself. They say an asana is complete when you don't want to come out of it. You make your body so supple. If you go by the traditional texts like Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, you will know that asanas is a part of the journey, like yama, niyama, asan, pranayam, pratyahar, dharana, dhyan, samadhi. These are all tools to achieve the state of yoga. And what Maharishi Patanjali tells us defines the asanas in one sentence. He says, sthiram sukham asanam. A steady, joyful posture is an asana. He goes to tell us, prayatna shaitilyam ananta samapatibhyam. Says, do your asanas without any aggression, with complete joy and ease and effortlessness. You will merge with the infinite through your finite body. And he says, once you attain asana siddhi, you become beyond, you go beyond equipoise and go beyond the dualities of pleasure and pain, beyond the dualities of heat and cold. That is yoga asana. So please understand and to know that whenever you do an asana, the idea is to imbibe the essence. When you say a tree pose, it's not pose like a tree. It become the tree. When you become mountain pose, it's not imbibe the essence, the qualities, the virtues of a mountain. When they say sit in Padma Asana, imbibe the essence of the lotus. The lotus is not just a mere this thing. It's a symbol of spiritual journey, of being in midst of all the negativity, all the muck, and yet still it remains pure and untouched. That is what we have to imbibe when we do our asanas. Next time you do your asanas, try to use your concentration to go deeper inside, have a spiritual connection to the posture through your body. In the Hatha Yoga text, it is mentioned that the journey to the unknown and the invisible has to be made through the known and the visible. So practicing asanas is definitely a good start, but don't merely keep it outside out. Try to go outside in, and the world that it will reveal to you will be far more meaningful and magical. So next time you do a yoga asana, know that it is much more than just a posture. For more such videos and insightful information, log on and download the Nispand app today. Thank you very much.